Okay, honest tayo ha. Sino dito ang react agad, sisi later? Sino yung hiling mag-reply ng noted, pero galit? At sino naman ang pa-deep, pa-mature, kahit gigil na, pero compose pa din like a queen? React, reply, respond. Pare-pareho lang ba yan? The truth is, hindi. Hi, I'm ER, ang kakilala mong mahilig magbigay ng unsolicited pero valuable advice. Dati akala ko, react, reply, at respond. Synonyms lang yan, di ba? Pero may difference pala sila. And I applied that knowledge to handle every situations to improve my life better than yesterday. Today, pag-usapan natin, ano yung tatlong R that would make it or break it sa buhay mo? Mapa-career man or personal life mo? Promise, after this video, medyo madali na ng slide ang communication mo. Or at least, hindi ka na magsasend ng K pag galit ka. Kaya tara, grab your kape, tubig, iced coffee, or kung Gen Z ka, baka boba milk tea, unahin natin ang reacting. Ito yung instant, agad, with feelings. Walang isip-isip, walang preno. Kadalasan, mali. Yung pagod ka sa trabaho, tapos sumagot ka sa anak mo na, ano ba? Ano na naman kailangan mo? Then later, habang nakahiga ka, nagsisisi ka. We've all been there. Dahil kailangan mo ng instant relief. Damay agad ang nasa paligid mo. Or sa office nyo, naka do not disturb mode ka. Biglang may nag-message sa'yo ng, can you send this ASAP? Tapos ikaw, gutom, stress, PMS, lahat na. Nag-react ka ng, please read my status. Post mode yan. Boom. Instant meeting ka tuloy. Or yung nag-comment ka ng, girl, be for real sa social media. Pwede mo naman i-scroll up lang, di ba? Pero hindi. Triggered ka, kaya kalmot agad. Reacting is like your instant pain reliever. Tanggal ang instant kirot. Pero di ka naman talaga gumaling sa sakit mo. Reacting is emotional. It's fast. Pero madalas, it's the shortest road to regret. Alam mo yun, pagka-send mo pa lang, gusto mo na agad i-unsend. That's reacting. Gets mo? Next is replying. Ito yung robotic mode natin. Okay, noted, sige, okay po, haha, na super bland. Yung parang walang gulo, okay po na lang ang sagot. Kahit sobrang toxic na ng boss mo. Or parang autosagot ka ng noted. Millennial yarn. But we all know na noted is equal to saying, I am so spiritually done with this conversation. Or jumigensi ka with auto-replies such as lol, K, G, or worse, period. As in period. Kadalasan, hindi yan communication. Escape button yan. Replying is like your bland, buy one, take one burger sa kanto. It ends cravings kahit walang nutritional substance. Replying ends conversations, but it rarely fixes misunderstandings and it almost never builds connections. Now, ito ang responding. Ito yung adulting mode. Ito yung grabe, I'm healing moment. A response is, I understand your point. Let's talk calmly. Or, pwede ko siyang gawin, but I need time to get through this. I'll update you by 5 p.m. Or, na-hurt ako with what happened. Let's fix this together. Responding helps you maintain peace that is intentional, mindful, thoughtful, and aligned with your values. May problema ka sa bahay kahit pagod na pagod ka from work. Hindi na kailangan sumigaw every time na may problema. All you have to say is, pahinga lang ako, okay? Later, pag-usapan natin yan. Lambingan mo syempre pag-deliver ng word. Responding is self-care. It's choosing boundaries kesa burnout. Responding is a sign of emotional maturity. Lalo na kung tumitito or tumitita ka na. Mas bagay sa'yo, be. Responding is choosing peace without abandoning yourself. Nung mas bata pa ako, reactive ako, defensive. Feeling ko kailangan ko i-prove lagi ang sarili ko. But when I learned how to respond, mas kumalma ako, mas naging totoo ako, and people understood me better. So if you're watching this video is not just advice. It's a reminder na you're in control of who you choose to be in every moment. Not just to say yes or no, but to make your message come across clearly. Ayaw mo ng gulo at drama, don't react. Gusto mo ng clarity, don't just reply. If you want growth, respond. Say what you want to say with calm and clear intentions. And sa true love, regardless kung anong generation mo, we all need to communicate better so that we can be understood. Understand? Sa ating question of the day, pumunot tayo sa nagmamarunong na box. Ang tanong, kung replyan ka ng celebrity na pina-follow mo, ano ba tinanong mo in the first place? I-comment mo yan. Malay mo, ay bago ka makilala sa comment section na sasagutin mo ng let's talk. Kung may kakilala ka who would benefit from saying their thoughts clearly, i-share mo to sa kanya. If gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong usapan, like and subscribe, and let's grow together. In terms of happiness, health and wealth, let's take it one day at a time.